possess a level of consciousness. We might possess a higher level of consciousness relative with that respect to a rock or a piece of wood. They all possess a level of consciousness. When you're in nature, the question is, how do you absorb the energy from, let's say, water? How do you extract energy from the earth? How do you extract energy from air? How do you extract energy from air?
The chromatic scales, or in fact, let's just go all the way to the diatonic scale. The diatonic scales is a number of notes that was extracted from the chromatic scales to form the musical structure in the Western Hemisphere. One of the biggest phenomena we have in music is something called octaves. Why do we hear octaves? Why, when you double a chord, or let's say primarily an A chord consists of 440 hertz. Why, when you double 440 hertz,